here with?
Mrs. Broker.
What do you learn in musical theater workshop?
In musical theater, you learn everything about being on stage and backstage.
What is a typical class period like?
A typical class period, we're doing a little bit of dancing, a little bit of acting, and a little bit of singing.
How do you choose the musical?
The class helps me choose it for this particular event. We go through different musicals. We talk about the composition of the class, whether they're strong comedians, whether they're good at dramatics, and then we look through several musicals and narrow it down to one.
What advice do you have to people who have stage fright?
The main thing to do is just try it and do it. There's really nothing to be afraid of when you think about it. Theater is live, and so everything you do disappears in a second.
All right. Thank you for answering all my questions.
Sure. Thank you.
Okay. Why do you like musical theater workshop?
I like it because it's like a smaller production and you can kind of make it your own thing. And it's pretty fun to have like a class and you don't even have to.
Hi, who am I here with?
Julian.
And why do you like musical theater workshop?
I like it because you get to like pretend to be someone else, and you get to like act out, meet these new people, and sing and dance and act. It's a lot of fun. Yeah.
Dave.
Why do you like musical theater workshop?
It's really fun because you get to put on like a whole musical, and it's not like there's a bunch of people in it. So if you just like it to be like a class or something, it's like really easier. Like, yeah.